Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My people, there is time for everything. Don't rush. Relax and leave your battle for God. If you dey doubt me, go and ask me Edochie. Maybe me Edochie will explain better than me. All these years, the dragging, the fighting, the silence and everything. God was fighting battles that me Edochie could not see. There is battle in the Edochie family. There is a tough battle going on. God is turning the table around. Hey! Secret upon secret is about to come aside. They started hitting their head. Everything they did in the dark, in the secret, in the darkness. Hey! The light of God is up. The light of God is about to expose them. Ha! Me Edochie, you are a victorious woman. You are a victorious woman. Let God arise and his enemies be scattered. Let God arise and his enemies be scattered. Let God arise and his enemies be scattered. Let God arise. Hey! Hey, my people. Who can battle with my God? Who can battle with my God? Who can battle with me, Edochie God? I say nobody. Who can battle with me, Edochie God? Who can battle with me, Edochie God? Who can battle with me, Edochie God? I say nobody. Hey, my people, only if you know what is going on. Matter no go let us talk finish, but believe me, the God of May Edochie is fighting battles. Oh, the God of May Edochie have arise, and all May Edochie enemy they use head, they hit each other. They are not fighting themselves. They are not releasing secrets. If I tell you wetin this my ear don hear, how did May Edochie survive this? How was she able to come out from inside this whole thing? My people, let me just give una small. Tomorrow, I dey package them, they come. I dey package them. For now, make we just go into the tips. This whole thing started when Grandpapa started fighting over May Edochie properties again. Now they come tell Grandpapa say, this woman is gone. She has left our family. Everybody don waka their own. May Edochie don go. Amobingo don go. Why are you dragging this woman for property when it be say no be our children na him wan collect am? You say you are fighting for Amobingo. If Amobingo collect property, who he won't give? Is it not the children wey Queen Suru Masi Mami Water born? Why are you so curious fighting for those children? Why you dey anxious that those children something must reach their hand? Na there na the kasala for start o. Na there matter come start to dey enter matter. Na there they come begin dey ask questions, say, why is Grandpapa curious every time trying to protect Juju Ekwensu and those children? Now Grandpapa come say he's not protecting anybody. Say na his son na he dey fight for. Now they come tell Grandpapa say, if you are fighting for your son, as May Edochie carry property, you will concentrate on the children when you know say they are your grandchildren. Those who are there, how do you know if they are your grandchildren? They say na wetin bring quarrel, na wetin cause the kasala for the Edochie family. The next thing, they come start to the true word. This one come true. If not be you, I for no know Judy. The other one come true. After all, you is not their father. The other one come true. Who knows? Maybe you are the father. Hey, another one come true. Me Edochie. Thank God say the woman even go. Una plan no work. They come begin the enter. They come begin the enter me Edochie on. Me Edochie on no be smarty they talk. They come begin the enter. Thank God say me Edochie go. Una plan no work. Na everybody dey pepper una. Another one control. He go expose una. All the things una do for me Edochie back. He go talk and come outside. Like kasala come burst for between this family. All of them call the true word. They come outside. My people. Now one of them come talk. The one when he scatter table. Like I say, I'm not going into the deep details of what they talk. I say tips. The tips won't na 1 year so go shock una. Talk less of the details. One of them come provoke. Now I come tell grandpapa say this grandpapa wickedness. He don't pass, be careful. Say he don't pass, be careful. He say the verse where grandpapa the verse. Because grandpapa tell me Edochie make he bring all our products. Una remember the time when me Edochie say my product is coming out in Amazon. I know say she come dey post am. Grandpapa come call me Edochie. Say before me Edochie carry those products go Amazon, make me Edochie bring some of those products to him. Let him pray and bless the products. Now me Edochie come say, thank you very much. Me Edochie no send the products. Grandpapa go dey call me Edochie for these products like government work. You no bring her. You no bring her. Me Edochie go say, oh, you just forget. Me Edochie say, okay, I will send it. Me Edochie say, you just forget. Me Edochie come dey dodge this old man. Dodge and till she come put her product for Amazon. After me Edochie put that product for Amazon, grandpapa come call me Edochie. Come the verse. Now me Edochie come dey tell grandpapa say make he no verse. Say he no dey remember. There are too many things when he dey think. Anyway, make grandpapa still bless am for anywhere where he dey for there. He doesn't need to really touch the product. Make he pray for where he dey. God dey hear prayer for anywhere, even without her sending those products to grandpapa. Now they come dey expose everything about that thing when it happen. According to them, the reason why make grandpapa say make me Edochie bring products come, they won't fall that product down. They won't fall am down. But God can't stand by me Edochie. Me Edochie not can send the products. As gbasgbos they go on now, there is gbasgbos going on. Hey, if you ain't for social media, go catch many people. Go catch many people. Now say me Edochie, she was not fighting a physical battle. I've said it 1,000,000 times. She was not fighting a physical battle, and the battle was not one person battle. The battle where me Edochie dey fight, a multitude were surrounding her. She be like one fish. Me Edochie be like one fish where dey inside ocean. You know as ocean big. Me Edochie be like only one fish where dey ocean. That was the kind of enemy wey she gets. Multitude. Why people are dragging Ekwensu, dragging yo. All those one are the show your face enemy when they bring out. The real gongongo enemies, they will expose themselves. Not be my mouth. Now go take talk. God wey don start this battle, he go finish am. So those products were made. I wish me Edochie send them, go give am. If you carry those products, you go put them for under ojuju. Those products, you no go front, you no go back. Now the person go dey tell grandpapa as they dey quarrel, Because they gather now, the family gather. Kasala come burst. Kasala come burst. Some people can't even they talk, say, may Mama Rita, may she not they talk again. May she close her mouth, may she remove her mouth. Now that one say that one at the ideal. She will stand for the truth. And she will continue to stand for the truth. That one not concern her. So, now they gonna tell Grandpapa say, you see you way they talk, they do as if you good. Where did you want to put May Edochie products? Not be under juju. Make that woman for fall down. Make she for humble down. So that you can take control the way you dey control. Were you not the one controlling their marriage? Were you not the one that was the head of the marriage? My people no be smart, you know. Now that May Edochie product on. Now it can shock a lot of people. Say, what do they want to do with her products? Now that one can shock a lot of people for them. Amu Bingo and Juju Ekwe Isuru Masi Mami Water, they are not May Edochie problem. All those ones, they just put them for surface. There are more things going on. There is Papa and Mama. There is people that are operating, that are really operating against May Edochie. If you see wetin they come out for their mouths, now tomorrow, like I say, now go give una the details. Not be today. Tomorrow I'm coming to give you people the full gist of wetin these people talk. Make una come see where God for remove May Edochie. Sometimes every disappointment is a blessing. I'm not going to say some disappointment. With this May Edochie, every disappointment is a blessing. The way God say go told May Edochie, God told May Edochie, he no carry and he told and come up for them. Our enemies were everywhere. Everywhere. If you see what all these people they talk, no one way not there on a mission. No one. And all these people went on a mission for May Edochie. All of them. With different mission. As God has saved May Edochie, I'm still asking after I heard this story. I don't know as God has saved May Edochie. That woman must be the favorite of God. May Edochie must be a favorite for God. For her to escape all this evil where they plan against her. My people fear some family, especially all those ones where they sit down for front of church. The thing no they confuse now. Roman Catholic family, Roman Catholic family. Now they do juju pass. In the name of say that they do tradition. You know they ask question. Is it that you are for God or you are for devil? Stay one place. May we know where you dey. Are you a traditionalist? Continue with your traditionalist. Are you a Christian? Continue with your Christian. All these people where they mix everything together is because they are desperate looking for protection from different places. Looking for protection. You use light, they bind darkness. Use darkness, they fight light. And you did the two sides. You must have a heart of a queen to be in a position to be worshiping two gods. My people, fear them, fear them. But now God, now save May Edochie. A lot is happening. They don't use that hit their head. All of them, they expose their secrets. It's not even quarreling or dragging themselves. They expose secrets. Amu Bingo where they side there. Amu Bingo where they side. His children can never ever forgive him. No wonder Daniela the challenger. No wonder Daniela the challenger. Daniela the giver auto. Because that girl know what she saw. You for inside. You know good though. If you hear even Juju Ekwe is which one pure for inside? Now tomorrow na go hear whether one person from that family even love May Edochie. With the evil mission where these people go. Now tomorrow na go give una the details. Make una know whether there was even one person that truly love May Edochie. May nation, God go bless una. God go bless una. Una take come out from nowhere, gather, take stand for this woman. As all of una take they support May Edochie, God will bless you all. The enemies were much. Very, very much. Very, very. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.